Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and this is the sauce for 2 pizzas, so let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is put in a crock pot 28 ounces of tomato sauce, followed by 3 cloves of minced garlic, followed by a teaspoon of salt, then a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of sugar. The pinch of sugar is just to take away the tinniness of the tomatoes. And then a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, you also want to add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar to this. And then you want to wrap it all up with a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you would like the sauce a little spicier, add a little bit more. And then you just want to stir this around, get everything mixed together. And you want to leave this on high for at least 1 hour. And then on low for at least 2, or until you're ready to make your pizza. Like I said, you can start this in the morning, and just, if you do that, I would actually advise leaving it on low for the entire time. Alright, that's it for the sauce. Let's get to the pizza. Okie dokie, let's make the Wolverine. First thing we gotta do, I got a pound of chorizo in this pot, and we're gonna cook that up. Next, to another pot, we're going to add about a pound of bacon, and we're going to fry that up over a medium-low heat. All right, let's move on to the next step. I mean, everybody should know how to make bacon. All right, we got our dough stretched in our pan. This is a 72-hour aged dough. Link to find out how to make it is in the description. And, okay, now it's time to sauce our pizza. And the first thing you do when you do your first sauce is make sure you slop most of it all over your counter. Now, me personally, I like kind of a saucy pizza. So, I probably add more sauce than most, but that's just what I like. Then you want to add a nice little layer of mozzarella, followed by our chorizo, followed by the bacon, and of course start laying down a layer of pepperoni. And once that's all done, pop into a 550-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and melty and the crust is golden brown. And there you go. Pizza should look a little something like that. So, that's the Wolverine. Done.